Hi, I'm Claire Stevenson and welcome to my Ayurvedic kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a cucumber and pineapple fingers. In fact, this is probably one of my son's favorite, as he can eat it with his fingers, and he's a big fan of eating fresh vegetables, fresh fruit, and so I do like to make this for him. Great as lunchbox snacks as well. So we're going to start with, there's a little bit of preparation, right? We've got to start with cutting up our cucumber and our pineapple. So I remember that my mother taught me how to cut a pineapple up this way. I think pineapple was her favorite too. And then we can core the spiny bits. Okay, so got the pineapple done. Then I'm going to cut my cucumber up into fingers. I quite like down the center, and then 3 down the center, and then 3, banging those all into the bowl. Now for the pineapple, we can do the same. So I've just finished cutting up my pineapple and my cucumber, and next I'm going to chop at my coriander. So you can either use a knife, but I'm a big fan of just grabbing it whole and chopping it chunky. Sure, and as you chop at it, the fresh fragrance of the coriander bounces out as we cut at the coriander leaves. So another option is to cut like that as well. Love my kitchen scissors. So into this recipe, we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin, and a tablespoon of your nice chunky coriander. And this is where I might get my son to help me out as well in the mixing of it. So we're getting our hands dirty and we're mixing it all up. So this is definitely a dirty job, but I know the kids will absolutely enjoy it, and of course it makes for a great finger licking experience. Let's pour it into a serving bowl. Garnish with a few extra leaves if you wish. And then as an optional, we're going to sprinkle with some paprika for color. Isn't that just divine? So this would be a great side dish to any of the other recipes that are available in my cookbook. So the proof is in the tasting. Let's have a bite of this. So crunchy. Sweet from the pineapple, and then salty from the cumin and the salt, of course. Can I have another? Do enjoy. I know that Stewie and I do.